Today we give a nod back to the first Thanksgiving with a recipe so tasty you'll be counting your blessings. Howard shows us how to make his Pilgrim corn souffle in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If we were to look back at what was served at the first Thanksgiving in 1621, we'd find a completely different spread than what most of us serve today. Back then, you could count on there being some kind of wild fowl and, of course, something made from corn. But rather than kernel corn, it was in the form of grain, which was likely made into bread or porridge. To make something a little more up to date, what do you say we add a corn souffle to this year's Turkey Day lineup? All we do is combine a couple cans of whole kernel corn, or you can use frozen if you prefer, along with some cream corn, a bit of sugar, flour, milk, and a few beaten eggs. After mixing everything together, we pour it into a baking dish and pop it in the oven. This is a whole lot easier than what the Pilgrims had to do. Thanks to our supermarket shortcuts, we can throw this together in just minutes. When your souffle is all done and sitting next to all the other holiday go-alongs, get ready for lots of oohs and ahs. It's no wonder that a side dish like this has stood the test of time. To get this easy-peasy recipe for what we call Pilgrim corn souffle, check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an updated classic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
And we'll be right back.